Acid rain. Natural acid rainwater vapor high in the air condenses on dust particles to form huge numbers of tiny water droplets. They reflect light in all directions and we see them as a cloud. Carbon dioxide present in the air dissolves in the water and forms a weak acid called carbonic acid. When this weak acid rain falls onto the rocks in limestone country, a chemical reaction takes place. In this reaction, a very small amount of limestone is dissolved and washed away. Over thousands of years, the dissolving of the rocks can produce a range of features in the landscape. When part of a limestone surface is dissolved, cracks called grikes form and the surface is called a limestone pavement. In some places where most of the limestone surface is dissolved away, pinnacles of rock are left behind. As the acid rainwater dissolves the rock, it sinks into it and makes passages for underground streams. In time, the water passing along these streams dissolves more of the rock and creates caves. Eventually, as the cave becomes larger and larger, its roof may weaken and collapse to make a gorge. Listen.